Hi guys, some changes will come to your system. You can help to make Linux better by spending some time. If you know what's happening to an application, or if you have a question or a what if or something for the wish list, you go to these GitHub or GitLabs and ask. So Rate Mirrors has changed the application that we could use and it's called RAM, right? We have RAM and RAM-S. S is HTTPS and the other one isn't. It's gonna change. Why? Well, we had this question that if possible they could make something to disable the comments. In the beginning we can actually go in here. This is no more. All these comments. It's fine and it's okay and it's interesting, but it would choke up another application that we like to put forward. In the ArcoLinux tweak tool, we use Pace. Pace is this. And with all these extra lines, it just did not know what to do with it. So this was empty, no longer. So all of it is fixed thanks to 2 developers. And what is gonna change now to our systems? For that, I have a virtual machine ready. And in the meantime, I can learn or teach better bupskel. Remember bupskel? Check out the bash RC, check out ZSH, check out fish. It makes the backup of, it should be able to recognize it, is the content of etc skel. If we update, and we update now, we get packages in. We get fish in with new code, ZSH with new code, root bash RC with new code, and the new application that's now been developed thanks to the guys, right? So yes it is. Pace is already a new version, you have it already. This is the last one coming in with the no allow comments. Yes. Now if you want to know what changed, and this is something I would suggest you do, and if you have time over and you say, what am I gonna do, right? Make sure you have one reference, then you take a second one. Before the haircut, after the haircut. What happened to my machine? Compare. You don't want to see what's the same. You do want to see what changed to config fish. We've added disable comments. We've added disable comments. What's here? Bash RC, disable comments, disable comments. That will change things a little bit. Disable comments, disable comments. All are correct, no typos, I think. Let's test it out. Now our change is here. I tell you where it is. It's in etc skel. It's not on your system. Now in this case, normally I would say, guys, you do skel, done, right? But skel is invasive, and skel is, by the way, a script, so you can read, say, oh no, don't do that, and done. Nothing has changed. We have smaller aliases. Copy my bash from etc skel to mine. Copy my fish from etc skel to mine. Copy my ZSH from etc skel to my home directory. That's enough. For this particular thing, right, it's just about the shells. So these are the lines. And if you immediately want to see, either log out or reboot, or remember the source bash RC thing. If you type it right, everything comes up, the logo is there again. And this changes now. RAM is looking strange. It's not broken. We used to see all kinds of lines and things and say, oh god, what's this? It's broken, Eric, it's broken. All right. Now, at this point in time, you should let it do, because if you stop this thing, you have an empty mirror list. And guess what happens with an empty mirror list, right? You won't be able to get packages in. So we wait. And you know what he's doing is all these lines I just shown you in the it's closed already. In the paste bin URL there is going over all kind of servers nearby and countries and making a list. Who is the fastest for this particular person living in Belgium, living in UK, living in the US. Now this will not be updated, but I just wanted to show you it's empty, right? Don't do Control C, wait for it to end. End. Sorry, I thought it was on pause, but I don't think so. I had to cough. My apologies if your ears now are blown off your skull. So a bunch of lines are now in our machine. Oh my god, it seems to be longer than previously in previous version. Anyway, do this again. You got something, that's the main thing. And of course, if there is RAM, maybe that's the reason, RAM S, then you take only the HTTPS, which narrows things a little bit down, because I see here HTTP, right? So you decide whether you want to have a mix or just a secure HTTPS. I will not go, well, I'll show you how to go to fish and how to go to ZSH, but I will stop the video there, go to them, run them again, see that all works, that I did not make any typos. But basically that's the only message, guys. There's a change in there, and well, voila, we got less code. So Control C, and this one, ask again, and this one is only HTTPS, 175 of them. Right? Okay, enjoy. No, I promise to go and tell you how to get to ZSH, it's like that. How to get to fish, it's like that. Log out, log in, and you're on fish, you're on ZSH, and then you try again RAM, and that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, cheers.